Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects as a free trial on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the search bar. Type Adobe After Effects and hit enter. Click on the official Adobe link. Adobe offers a 7-day free trial for After Effects, and depending on the plan you choose, it may extend up to 14 days. You can use this free trial to try out the app without paying anything up front. Once you're on the page, choose After Effects from the list and click Continue. You'll also see an option for Creative Cloud All Apps. This includes After Effects, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and more. If you're planning to try multiple Adobe apps, you can go with that. Select any plan, don't worry. This is just to activate your trial. Next, click Continue again, and you won't be charged if you cancel on time. As you can see, the current due is $0. Click Continue. Now enter your credit or debit card details. Adobe will show you the trial terms. Billing will begin automatically after the trial ends, but you can cancel before the deadline. For example, before August 8th to avoid being charged. Once that's done, your 7-day free trial for Adobe After Effects will begin. You can start using it immediately for motion graphics, animation, or visual effects. That's it. That's how you download and activate the Adobe After Effects free trial on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.